时事英文翻译花莲堰塞湖溃堤使用 ChatGPT 辅助。堰塞湖于9月23日下午溢流，洪水泛滥成灾，导致花莲光复乡15人死亡的惨剧震惊全台。各界善心纷纷涌入，期盼能早日恢复家园。On the afternoon of September 23rd, the landslide-dammed overflowed, caused devastating flood in Guangfu Township, Hualien. It resulted in the tragic loss of 50 lives. The disaster shut the entire nation, promoting the outpouring. The goodwill is called from the center, which hopes that the community can soon rebuild their home. Landslide. The heavy rain triggered a landslide that destroyed several houses in the village. The candidate won the election in the landslide, securing over 70% of the vote. Flood. After the flood, villagers had to move a temporary shelter. Donations flooded in from around the world after disaster. Township. The small township is known for its beautiful mountain scenery. Many people in the township rely on farmers as their main source of income, result in lack of sleep, often result in poor concentration. His careless driving resulted in a serious accident. Tragic. The earthquake was a tragic event that claimed thousands of lives. In a tragic that the young addict carrier and so suddenly. Disaster. His presentation was a disaster. He forgot his notes and folded on stage. The earthquake was the worst disaster in the country's history. He spent the entire day preparing for the event. He ate the entire cake by himself. Entire 是全部的，强调完整无缺。县政府适用法比 Hualien 更严肃。Hualien 整个的口语常用，语气比较自然。Complete 完整的、完全的，强调不缺任何部分，偏重完整而不是全部。谢谢大家今天的观看。